What does a horse say? What does a cow say? Good job. What does the sheep say? Okay. What does the goat say? Okay. What does the pig say? Say it again. What does the pig say? Do it again. Colin, what does the pig say? Good job. What does a dog say? What does the cat say? What does a duck say? What does a rooster say? Thanks, Tyler. What does a rooster say? Colin, what does a rooster say? Okay, Tyler, stop. Just a second. What does an owl say? Good job.